Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Square Invoices to link customer credit card payments, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Square Invoices to accept customer credit card payments, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the dashboard located at the top of the page. Select Invoices from the menu options on the left. Click on the Create Invoice button to start a new invoice. Fill in the required details, including the customer's information and the items or services being billed. Locate the Payment Options section within the invoice. Ensure that the checkbox for credit card payments is selected. Configure your invoice settings to include payment terms and due dates if necessary. Next, click on the Save button to save your invoice draft. After saving, select Send Invoice to deliver it to your customer. Your customer will receive an email notification with a link to view the invoice. Once they access the invoice, they will see the option to pay via credit card. When the customer clicks on the credit card payment option, they will be prompted to enter their payment information. Ensure your customer fills in all the required fields correctly. After entering payment details, the customer can submit their payment securely. You will receive a notification once the payment has been processed. Check your Square dashboard to confirm the successful transaction and update your invoice status. Now, you have successfully connected Square Invoices to accept customer credit card payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.